Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Voxora, where you'll learn real English the natural way. Let's get started.
Hello, my dear friend. I'm so happy you are here today. Take a comfortable seat, relax your shoulders, and get ready to spend some time with English. Today, we are not only going to practice English, but we are also going to think about something very important. Our topic is simple. Don't waste your life. This is not about being perfect. It is not about working every minute of the day. It is about using your time in a meaningful way while learning English naturally. So listen carefully, repeat after me in your mind or out loud, and enjoy every sentence. The more you listen, the more confident you will become. Let's begin with a simple sentence. My time is valuable. Say it again. My time is valuable. Very good. Now another one. I want to use my time wisely. Repeat it. I want to use my time wisely. Excellent. These are simple sentences, but they have a powerful meaning. Every morning gives us a new chance. Every new day is a fresh start. Maybe yesterday was difficult. Maybe you were busy. Maybe you were tired. Maybe you wanted to study English, but you could not. That is okay. Today is a new day. Today is another opportunity. Today you can begin again. Listen to these sentences. Today is a good day to learn. Today I will practice English. Today I will improve a little. I do not need to be perfect. I only need to keep going. Now repeat them slowly. Today is a good day to learn. Today I will practice English. Today I will improve a little. I do not need to be perfect. I only need to keep going. Many people say, I will start tomorrow. Have you ever said that? Maybe you have. Tomorrow I will study. Tomorrow I will exercise. Tomorrow I will speak English. But tomorrow often becomes next week. Next week becomes next month. Then one day we realize that we have waited for a very long time. Instead, try saying this. I will start now. Repeat it. I will start now. Again. I will start now. Wonderful. These 4 words are very powerful. Imagine you wake up in the morning. Your alarm rings. You open your eyes. You smile and say good morning. Then you look outside. The sky is bright. The air is fresh. You make your bed. You wash your face. You brush your teeth. You drink a glass of water. You say, today will be a good day. Repeat these daily expressions. Good morning. How are you today? I'm feeling great. I'm ready to learn. Let's begin. I'm excited. I'm doing my best. These are useful expressions you can use every day. The more you repeat them, the more natural they will become. Sometimes people waste time because they are afraid. They think, my English is not good. They think people will laugh at me. They think I make too many mistakes. But mistakes are normal. Every learner makes mistakes. Every fluent speaker made mistakes in the past. Listen carefully. Mistakes help me learn. Repeat it. Mistakes help me learn. Again. Mistakes help me learn. Very good. Now try another sentence. I am learning every day. Repeat it. I am learning every day. I am becoming more confident. Repeat it. I am becoming more confident. Confidence grows little by little. It does not appear in one day. It grows every time you practice. It grows every time you speak. It grows every time you listen. Imagine you go to a coffee shop. You walk inside with a smile. You say, hello. The worker smiles back and says, good morning. How can I help you? You answer, sir, I'd like a cup of coffee, please. The worker asks, would you like anything else? You say, yes, I'd like a sandwich. The worker says, anything to drink besides coffee? You smile and answer, no, thank you. That's all. The worker says, your total is $10. You reply, here you are. The worker smiles and says, thank you. Have a nice day. You answer, thank you. You too. Let's repeat some useful expressions. I'd like a cup of coffee, please. That's all. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. You too. Excellent work. Now imagine you meet your friend on the street. Hi, how are you? I'm doing well. How about you? I'm great. It's nice to see you. It's nice to see you too. What are you doing today? I'm going to study English. That sounds great. Yes, I want to improve every day. This is how simple conversations help you become a better speaker. You do not need difficult words. You need simple words that you use often. Listen again. How are you? I'm doing well. It's nice to see you. What are you doing today? I'm going to study English. That sounds great, wonderful. Sometimes we spend hours looking at our phones without learning anything new. Time passes quickly. 1 minute becomes 10 minutes. 10 minutes become 1 hour. Suddenly the day is almost over. Instead, use 10 minutes to practice English. Listen to a podcast. Read a short story. Learn 5 new words. Repeat simple sentences. Small actions every day create big results. Repeat after me. 10 minutes is enough to begin. I can learn something new today. Every small step is important. Now let's learn some useful vocabulary. Time, morning, afternoon, evening, night, clock, watch, schedule, plan, goal, dream. Future, success, practice, habit, energy, progress, confidence. Now use these words in simple sentences. I have time today. It is a beautiful morning. I have a busy schedule. I have a clear goal. My dream is to speak English fluently. Practice helps me improve. Good habits change my life. I have energy today. I can see my progress. I believe in myself. Very good. Now imagine you are talking to yourself in English while doing simple things at home. I'm opening the window. I'm making breakfast. I'm washing the dishes. I'm cleaning my room. I'm drinking tea. I'm reading a book. I'm learning English. I'm happy today. Talking to yourself in English is a wonderful habit. Do not worry if nobody is listening. You are training your brain. Every sentence makes you stronger. Now let's practice positive thinking. I can do this. I believe in myself. I am improving every day. I enjoy learning English. I never stop learning. I am patient. I am brave. I am confident. Repeat them slowly. Feel the meaning of every sentence. Sometimes learning feels slow. That is normal. Think about a small plant. Every day it grows a little. You cannot see the change every minute, but after many days, it becomes taller and stronger. Your English grows the same way. Every lesson, every conversation, every new word is like a drop of water helping the plant grow. So never think, I'm not good enough. Instead say, I'm getting better. Repeat it, I'm getting better. Again, I'm getting better every day. As you continue listening and practicing, you will notice something wonderful. You will understand more. You will remember more words. You will answer questions more quickly. One day you will surprise yourself because you will speak English naturally without translating every word in your mind. That day does not come because of luck. It comes because you decided not to waste your time. It comes because you practiced a little every day. It comes because you believe that every small step matters. And today, by listening, repeating, and speaking with confidence, you have already taken another important step forward. Keep going because every minute you spend practicing English is a gift to your future self. You may not notice a big difference today, but one day you will look back and realize how far you have come. Learning is like walking. One step may seem small, but many small steps can take you to amazing places. Now imagine you are getting ready for work or school. You look in the mirror and smile. You say, I am ready for today. You put on your clothes, pick up your bag, and walk out the door. The weather is nice. The sun is shining and you feel happy. You meet your neighbor outside. Good morning! Good morning! How are you? I'm doing well, thank you. How about you? I'm great. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. You too. These simple conversations happen every day. Practice them again and again until they become natural. The more familiar they feel, the easier it will be to speak English with confidence. Now imagine you are at a grocery store. You need to buy a few things. Excuse me, where can I find the milk? It's in the refrigerator section. Thank you. You're welcome. You take some milk, bread, eggs, and fruit. Then you go to the cashier. Did you find everything you needed? Yes, I did. Thank you. Would you like a bag? Yes, please. Here you are. Thanks. Have a nice day. You too. These are real-life expressions that you can use almost anywhere. Repeat them slowly. Excuse me. Where can I find? Thank you. You're welcome. Yes, please. Have a nice day. Now let's think in English together. Look around your room. What do you see? Maybe you see a chair. Maybe you see a table, a window, a phone, or a book. Say simple sentences. I see a chair. The window is open. My phone is on the table. I have a book. I am sitting comfortably. This simple practice teaches your brain to think directly in English. Remember, you do not need perfect English to communicate. You only need the courage to speak. If you forget a word, stay calm. Take a deep breath and try another sentence. Keep talking. Every conversation is valuable. Every mistake is a lesson. Every new word is another step toward your goal. Say these positive sentences with confidence. I enjoy speaking English. I am not afraid of mistakes. Every day I become a better speaker. I will never give up. My future is bright because I keep learning. Excellent work. You are building a strong habit, and strong habits create lasting success. Continue listening, continue speaking, and continue believing in yourself. Little by little, day by day, your English will become clearer, smoother, and more natural. The important thing is simple. Don't waste today. Use today to learn, to practice, and to grow. Tomorrow will thank you for the effort you make right now. As we come to the end of today's lesson, I want you to remember one important idea. Your future is created by what you do today. Every time you choose to practice English instead of giving up, you are making a wonderful investment in yourself. You are becoming stronger, more confident, and more prepared for new opportunities. Now let's practice one more everyday conversation. Imagine you are meeting a new friend. Hello, my name is Alex. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? I'm from my hometown, but now I live in a busy city. That's interesting. What do you do? I'm learning English because I want to communicate with more people. That's a great goal. I'm sure you can do it. Thank you. I practice every day. That's the secret. Keep going. This conversation is simple, but it is very useful. Listen to it many times and repeat every sentence. When you repeat often, your pronunciation becomes clearer, your listening becomes stronger, and your confidence continues to grow. Now, think about your daily routine. When you wake up tomorrow morning, try speaking English from the very beginning of your day. Say, "Good morning. Today is a new day. I feel happy. I am ready to learn." While making breakfast, say, "I'm making breakfast. The coffee smells good. The food looks delicious." While walking outside, say, "The weather is beautiful today. The sky is blue. I feel relaxed." These small moments are perfect opportunities to practice. You do not need a classroom all the time. Your home, your workplace, your neighborhood, and even your kitchen can become your English classroom. Every object you see can help you learn new words. Every action you do can become a simple English sentence. Always remember that learning a language is not a race. Everyone learns at a different speed. Some people learn quickly, while others need more time. That is completely okay. The only person you should compare yourself with is the person you were yesterday. If you know one more word today than yesterday, you are making progress. If you can understand one more sentence today, you are improving. Before we finish, let's repeat a few powerful sentences together. I believe in myself. I enjoy learning English. I speak a little better every day. I am patient. I am confident. I never stop learning. I use my time wisely. I do my best every single day. Thank you for spending this time practicing English. Be proud of yourself because you showed up, you listened, and you learned something new. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep thinking in English every day. Your voice matters. Your dreams matter and your effort matters. One small lesson today can become one big success tomorrow. So, keep smiling, keep practicing, and never waste the opportunity to learn something new. I believe that with patience, consistency, and daily practice, you will speak English more naturally than you ever imagined. I look forward to practicing with you again very soon.
Thanks for learning with English Voxora. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep growing. I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.